Today we will see that now how what is very crucial for a website and what makes people convert much more. Okay, so one of the so there are few aspects very crucial whenever I see a website or whenever you also see a website, any visitor. So there's very crucial points, right? So who, what are those? So one is copy. So the website's content matters much more than the design of the UI. Okay, and why it matters more, because if you have seen, you don't read a lot and you just skip to order a lot of things. You don't actually go to the nitty gritty and read, right? But they are very crucial. So one of the very interesting thing is the uh, headlines. Okay, so whenever we surf across the headlines, right? So your headlines has to be crisp and always convey value, right? So that is very crucial. So he will read the rest of the paragraphs if he is convinced about the headlines. So focus a lot on writing and rewriting the headlines. Okay, the next thing is the generating interest is answer in that the paragraphs whatever you are writing, wherever it is. So it might be 5 features, right? But whenever you are describing, always think about the end user, okay, and how this can benefit them. So if a person needs a little bit information to convert, they will convert like that. And the very difficult part, and what we CRO people do is that we often talk about very linearly, but humankind is not linear. Every person is very different. Every person behaves much more different. So if you will see, if you would have seen Google Analytics, and you would have gone to that no, the pipes, all those flows, right? So the user journey flows, and you will see that people do switch from different kind of pages to different kind of pages. All of a sudden this mindset change, they click on somewhere, some other people click on somewhere else. And that's because whenever they land on your page, they have a different motive, and whenever they read you, they also, the perspective also does change. Okay, and many people, so you have like few different things, and everything actually depends on the what he is searching, he is trying to achieve on your site, right? So that is the kind of thing. So we cannot actually solve everything for everybody who is coming to our site, and that's why it is very critical. So what this CRO people does is that the whenever what is the maximum kind of percentage of people who do what. Okay, so if they are doing this to that, then we should focus on this to that. So those are the kind of thing that generally is done. Okay, so always focus on those things. So that is what I told about the content. But there is another aspect I am actually focusing a lot, I am telling a lot, and a lot of people who are just doing the website strategy actually do not understand a little bit aspect of the user experience. So in this user experience, we have couple of kind of tests which we do to arrive at the information architecture, right? So what is an information architecture? I have described in my other videos. Go check in YouTube those things. But what is an information architecture is basically, if I will tell in a very short time, is basically you have all those menus, right? And you have all those writings on your page, right? All those headings and those gist, and whether those things are in proper places. And that's the significant impact. If you want to study also, I have another video where I'm explaining everything to you as a student or something like that. So that is the kind of information architecture. So whenever a person is coming to your site and he is searching for, let us take fire extinguisher, and you are a fire extinguishing company, or maybe a service provider around that line. So whether it is at that proper places, whether it is inside the services, or whether you can put another thing know about fire extinguishing, okay, know how to make your place fire proof. So that might generate much more interest, and then you can track them from there, that we are expert in this is the kind of a thing, and people generally have those kind of interest, and then they will actually convert. You can lead them to there. So that is one of the thing. But what is the important is that if a person is searching for fire extinguishing thing, whether he will go and search inside your menus, so like for the services, or whether he will search somewhere else, okay, like maybe products, right? So that is the kind of a thing, whether you have those menus over there, whether you have links to the pages over there, so that do you have, or in the order he has certain questions in his mind, do you have the contents. So if as a user I will just ask you, have you noticed that whenever you go to certain page, and as soon as you are reading from the first two lines, you have certainly and inquiry in your mind to understand something else, right? And what you do is that you just scroll through that whole page to find out where that information is, right? And that is what is very crucial. So whatever the questions that is coming to your mind, is that they are in that page, or there is a prominent link which leads me there. So that is very important. And then we have a lot of things that we do for the conversion, but this is a very important aspect for your site to be useful pretty much, right? And then what more you can do is, there are very different aspects. Then the third thing I told is design. Design is basically, I will just distill it down, design is just user friendliness and the spaces. These are two things that matters a lot, because what I have seen is that a lot of time the site looks really good, but that actually subsides the customer's inquisitive motive. But certain times, whenever you have the contents right, and whenever you have the perfect white spaces and the negative spaces, that is white spaces, between them are the proper direction, you provide them a direction, and those kind of thing, and it is readable, and it is actionable, and it is fast. That's it. All these thing only matters. Then you can beautify it. Okay, you can sell. You are a very good brand. You design really good. You impress. So that is come for the impression. So the first step is not to impress, right? The first step is actually having the basics right. So once you have the basics right, you will see a tremendous amount of engagement on your site. And once that is achieved, so because in the phases you cannot do all of a sudden all those things, and design is very heavy, right? So those are the kind of thing and as a work, as a this thing 5 times. So why should you change your site 5 times? Okay, uh, do you want to afford it? So no, the thing is that, so why we need those kind of a thing is, generally you have to focus initially on the basics, make the basics right, okay, then move to the next thing, which is awesomeness, then provide everything to the awesomeness, right? Therefrom you can, now we can make a start. So that's thing. So the three things that I told you, what are those three things? So the first thing is the copy, the headlines and this thing. Second thing is the information architecture, okay, so where the menus are, where the links are, and where the contents are. So the third thing and another important thing is the white spaces, the usability, the simplicity, and the readability. Okay, so there you can put images also, I should mention, so that is also comes under the content and this thing, right? So make these things right. And how you can make these things right? Always observe your customers, that I told in other videos. Observe your customers, what question they are asking, answer those questions, and you will be all sorted for a lot of the this thing. And then only make your designs better, and which will enhance these things, okay, which will enhance the things that you already achieved, then move from there. Okay, so have a good day, and hopefully you like this kind of content. If you like this kind of content, whatever more you like, you just can tell me, and you can comment on this video. So this is going on LinkedIn, so you can comment on this video, you can like it and share it, and also go check on the YouTube. I'm putting a lot of good videos out there. Bye bye.